Alrighty, hi folks, it's Dr. Christine here with the AI Wellness Universe and the Medican Online. Today I want to show you how Go High Level can host your WordPress website. So if you have a WordPress website, like this is one of mine, brainandsuccess.com, that I founded a while ago to help other people with my knowledge of brain health, neurobiology, and success strategies to grow their business easy and faster, same as we now do with AI. So here we go. And I want to show you how easily to migrate your current WordPress website from any expensive host to the business in a box, Go High Level ecosystem. Now let me show you how that actually works in practice. Here is our live Go High Level account. This is the AI Wellness Universe or 5D Wellness, maybe you know us as. Go High Level account, and in the side tabs it has everything in one. That's why we call it business in a box. Everything you ever need for your business is here except for you as the owner. Now, funnels, websites, stores, webinars, SEO, analytics, blogs, WordPress, that's what we are looking now for, but it also has a client portal with courses, forms, surveys, quizzes, a chat widget, QR codes, everything comes built in. Now let me show you the WordPress feature, because if you have already a WordPress website and you want to use it with your business in a box easily, have the funnels integrated, and have it hosted quickly, fast, and relatively inexpensive, because hosting these days can be expensive if it's supposed to be fast, and this one is. Now let's have a look. There's a manage website feature, and you can manage it, update your plugins, WordPress has plugins, update the themes, WordPress has themes, change the PHP version, clear the cache, disable uptime monitoring, cancel your subscription. So you can continue working your website as usual. It's just easier to add to it. Now let me show you how easy it actually is to transfer it, because all you need to do is create site, and then it gives you the option to transfer it, subscribe to it, and transfer your current website. Now this is the back end, and you will recognize probably the staging access. For those who don't know what staging is, staging for a website means you have access to a duplicate website where you can build, where you can change pages, where you can change blog posts without affecting the front end of your page. So the user experience is the same, but you can play with your colors, you can play with the arrangement, you can play with the layout, the wording, without affecting the front end of your website. That is good practices for any website. And of course, you can still edit your website. You can log in your WordPress website if you know how to do it as before. And the staging access makes it possible to change it, try it, and if you like it, click a button and it shows on the front end, so your user have the renewed experience. That's how every pro does it. Now, of course, there's admin access, WordPress URL, no changes, users, plugins is no change, themes, backups, pages, advanced settings, everything you need. There's a login to your WordPress admin with one button. You can switch between several WordPress sites wherever you're in the world. You can choose the site where your word is hosted. Now, this is really exciting because, of course, you can hook it up to Google Analytics, and then you can see how many visitors are there, how your site is performing. I didn't get the report yet. I will do that soon and show you. And of course, you can see the users. I am not showing them for privacy reasons. There's the plugins that you have, the themes, the backups. Of course, you automatically create a backup every day, so you never lose your site. It never gets completely lost because no backup is done. Say you do something, you forget to use the staging, you edit it on the live side, and suddenly you break it. Well, there's a backup from the day before. Thank God it saved me before. Of course, you can access your pages, upload new HTML pages. It's so convenient, especially when you use packaged sites like you get from PLR provider or FTP. You have FTP access, so upload full users makes it so much easier. You can affect the debugging, you can manage your cache, which is when you change something, the WordPress site keeps it for a little bit. You can change the server settings, and of course you can delete the site. So be careful with that button if you want to keep your site. It's really convenient, and we